We're always racing, trying to get dinner done so fast that, we're not enjoying the process. We're trying to get food into people, and it doesn't leave us much time because we don't want to be there all day, and we just want to get the food on the table so people will stop whining at us. I'm no different to anybody else, and there are days when I would quite happily chuck a spag bowl together in 20 minutes with cooking sauce and that be that. But today I wanted to enjoy the process because I haven't done it for a very long time, not properly. So I diced the carrots, the onions, the celery, sliced the mushrooms, placed them in some olive oil and slowly sauteed them. Not high, slow. 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Way through, I added garlic powder, mixed herbs, some dried basil, and just flavourings in general that would work with this, and mixed it all together. Then I added the meat once that was sauteed down, because if I cook off and saute the veg first, the meat takes on those flavours instead of having just a boring naff flavoured meat that is full of flavour because it's soaking up all the juices from the veg and the herbs and the flavours that have already gone in the pot. And once I did that, I added a big tin of tomatoes. That's 2.5 kilos of tomatoes. Whole peeled plum tomatoes. Not the chopped ones, which are naff at best. Yes, I could have added passata, but I don't have any. I could have turned this into passata, but I couldn't be bothered. I'd rather chop up the tomatoes and have a little bit of texture from those tomatoes, so you know that there's actual tomatoes in the sauce. And see, now that will have to take its time to cook, and it will have to take several hours, probably until dinner time, to cook. And it's only midday, but we haven't finished yet, and we need to add a good spoon of sugar to this because they're tinned tomatoes and they have that little bit of metallic to them. The sugar helps dissipate that. But Blue, what are you doing? Oh my god, you put all that work in, now you put it in the cooking sauce. Yes I am. And you know why? Because Tanny recognises the flavour of it. My hubby grew up in extreme poverty, and I mean extreme poverty, and he's not used to home cooked meals. And although we've been together for 8 years and he's slowly being able to try new things, and he will try new things the more he trusts me to cook, but I still have to make it taste in a way that he recognises. And I don't mind doing that because it means that he will eat something new, and next time I'll only have to put it in one jar, and maybe the time after that no jars. Food is like anything. The more time you put into it, the closer and the better relationship you have with it. So take your time. Enjoy the journey.